Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all well. Here's a video of a recent sound installation completed by our workshop manager John. This time on a OO Gauge Heljan Class 14 and using our brand new Paul Chetter Class 14 sound. John installed a Zimo MX649R sound decoder loaded with our ZS14P Class 14 Pro to Drive sound file for Zimo decoders, a Rails exclusive 15x11x9 speaker, and a Lays DCC 871007 stereo to ensure super smooth running. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting decoders, sound or non-sound, installed in your locos, please get in touch with our workshop team, either over the phone on 01522 527 731 or via email johng@digitrains.co.uk. Thank you for watching and we'll see you again next time.